Breathe. This will hurt, then set you free. Have you ever caught yourself wondering, why do I feel drained after certain conversations? Or perhaps, how long will I keep pretending this doesn't affect me? The truth is simple yet painful. Toxic people don't just steal your time, they dim your light. And you, sacred garden that you are, were never meant to be trampled. 1. The myth of limitless compassion. Be understanding, they say, but for how long? You mistake kindness for letting others pluck your petals one by one. Here's the unspoken truth. Some people only want you around when you're smaller than them. Grow taller and their love vanishes. But they're family. But they've helped me. What if I'm overreacting? Ask this instead, what if you're not? 2. The 7 traps and how to break free. 1. Poison disguised as truth. I say this because I love you. Lie. Love doesn't wield words like knives. Your soul is not a trash can for others' projections. Tactic. Respond to backhanded advice with, I'll reflect on that. Then delete, don't engage. Toxic people feed on your reactions. 2. The blame that's never theirs. They err, you forgive. You err once, they point fingers. Narcissists love making you carry their crosses. Tactic, calmly ask, what have you done to fix this? If met with another attack, walk away. That's not a conversation, it's manipulation theater. 3. The invisible block. You share dreams, they reply with be realistic. You express joy, they downplay it. Small people fear those who dare to be great. Tactic, guard your plans like seeds, only share them with fellow gardeners. 4. Conditional love. I'll help, but I support you if. That's not love, it's emotional bartering. Tactic, declare aloud, I deserve relationships without fine print. Repeat until you believe it. 5. Drama addiction. Endless chaos. Endless problems. Endless energy drain. Emotional vampires don't want solutions, they want an audience. Tactic. Interrupt the cycle with, what's your plan to solve this? If they play the victim, leave. You're not free therapy. 6. Gaslighting, reality distortion. You're too sensitive. That never happened. They make you doubt your own sanity. Tactic. Keep a truth journal. When they rewrite history, show the receipts, or better, show them the door. 7. The silence that screams. Ignoring. The cold shoulder. Punishment by indifference. This isn't maturity, it's passive-aggressive cruelty. Tactic, don't chase. Those who value you never make affection transactional. 3. The choice only you can make. You can keep justifying, suffering, shrinking, or choose your peace. Yes, it will hurt. Yes, they'll call you selfish, but ask, who benefits from my silence? Some bridges need burning, some ties need cutting. This isn't hate, it's self-preservation. The unfiltered close. You are not required to be anyone's emotional punching bag. Apologize for wanting happiness. Stay small to fit into others' lives. Comment, I choose me, if this hits home. Share this with anyone who still mistakes suffering for virtue. And remember, no one can take what you don't hand over.